Hello, and welcome back to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel. So today we're diving into a topic that's super important but not always the most glamorous. Our digestive health. It's basically the engine room of our bodies. When it's purring along nicely, life's good. But when it hits a snag, not so great. Luckily, tweaking what we eat can really turn things around. Let's get into some gut-friendly foods that are like your digestive symptoms' best friends. All right, let's start with fiber, the MVP of your digestive tract. Fiber's job is to keep things moving along your digestive highway, preventing traffic jams, like constipation. Foods packed with fiber: think whole grains like oatmeal, brown rice, fruits like apples and berries, veggies like carrots and broccoli, and legumes like beans and lentils. These are fantastic for this. They not only keep your bowel movements regular, which is super important for comfort, but also help maintain a healthy gut environment. Should you pick white or brown rice? How about whole wheat versus white bread? For a healthier gut, stick with whole grains. Why? Because to keep your colon happy, you need at least 25 grams of fiber every single day. Whole grains are a better choice than refined carbs like your typical white bread or pasta. They're not just full of fiber, they're also packed with extra nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids. Here's a cool fact. When the good bacteria in your gut break down fiber, they make something called short-chain fatty acids. These little guys are super important for keeping the cells in your colon, where a whopping 70% of your immune cells hang out, working well. Don't forget the avocado, which is often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. It's loaded with fiber and key nutrients, including potassium, which is great for your digestive health. Plus, it's low in fructose, meaning it's less likely to make you gassy. Remember that moderation is key with avocados. While they're nutrient-dense, they're also pretty rich in fats. So enjoy them, but keep an eye on how much you're eating. Yogurt deserves a big round of applause in the world of digestive health. Let's dig a little deeper into why yogurt, particularly the kind brimming with live cultures or probiotics, is such a superstar for your gut. First off, probiotics in yogurt are like your gut's best friends. These aren't just any bacteria. They're the good kind that takes residence in your digestive system. These bacteria maintain the balance of your gut's ecosystem. They're crucial in keeping the peace in your stomach and intestines, ensuring everything's working as it should. When your stomach's upset, think of probiotics as the calming influence that brings everything back to normal. They're particularly great at easing common digestive issues like bloating, gas, and even diarrhea. And for anyone who's ever had to take antibiotics, you know how those medications can throw your stomach for a loop. Well, yogurt with probiotics can help reset your digestive system after antibiotic use. But not all yogurts are created equal. To get these benefits, you'll want to look for yogurts that specifically mention having live and active cultures. These are the ones that contain the probiotics your gut loves. And while we're on the topic, it's worth noting that Greek yogurt is often a great choice. It's not only packed with probiotics, but also has the added bonus of being high in protein, which is great for overall health. Incorporating yogurt into your diet is super easy. It's great for breakfast, makes a healthy snack, and can even be used in smoothies or as a base for sauces and dressings in cooking. Plus, for those who are lactose intolerant, there are many lactose-free or plant-based options available that still offer the benefits of probiotics. So next time you're at the grocery store, remember to add some probiotic-rich yogurt to your cart. Your gut will thank you for those friendly bacteria, keeping your digestive system happy and healthy. Have you ever sipped ginger or peppermint tea when your stomach's been out of sorts? There's a good reason for that. Ginger is nature's way of calming an upset stomach. It can work wonders for nausea and general stomach upset. Then there's peppermint. It's not just for fresh breath. It's a whiz at easing indigestion and can be super helpful for folks dealing with IBS. If you're into meat, choosing the leaner cuts is a smart move for your gut. Fatty foods can be hard to digest, but lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish are much gentler on your stomach. They provide the protein you need without making your digestive system go into overdrive. If you've got IBS or a sensitive stomach, it's a smart move to lean towards lean proteins and steer clear of high-fat stuff, especially fried foods. Foods that are heavy on fat can stir up your colon, leading to discomfort. And when it comes to red meat, there's more than one reason to maybe choose something else. Apart from its high-fat content, red meat is also linked to certain gut bacteria. These bacteria churn out chemicals that could up the risk of artery blockages. So for folks watching their digestive health, it might be better to opt for healthier protein choices. Bananas deserve some special attention. They're the gentle giants in the fruit world, easy to digest and perfect for times when you're feeling a bit queasy. They're also good at getting your bowel function back to normal, especially after something like diarrhea. We can't forget about water. It's crucial for digestion. It helps break down fats and fiber, making them easier to move along. Keeping hydrated is a straightforward yet effective way to support your digestive health. Balance is key. Mix and match these foods in your diet. Variety is the spice of life, and it's also great for your gut. Listen to your body. Everyone's different. A food that's a miracle worker for one person might not be right for another. Chew your food. It's simple but effective. Chewing makes the whole digestion process smoother. Taking care of your digestive health doesn't have to be a chore. By bringing in fiber-rich foods, probiotics, soothing teas, lean proteins, gentle fruits, and plenty of water, you're setting your digestive system up for success. And always remember, it's about finding what feels right for you. Here's to eating well and feeling great. Your gut will thank you. If you want more information on happy, healthy living, medications, and nutritional supplements, please subscribe to our channel. We release 3 videos each week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section of this video. I have also put some links in the description section of this video to help you lead a happier, healthier life. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.